There he goes. Now all the stuff he's piled there, he's going to grab that and pile it up above. Oh, he's piling it over there. Okay, then he'll reposition himself to grab that other pile and load up where he's at. Make a big, huge pile up there on the back side of the excavator. Hey, if you're liking this video, let me know. And if you're not a subscriber of mine, please subscribe. You never know what I'm gonna show next, huh? Oh boy, I usually do how to fix things around the south. Around the house, how to fix things, you know, on your own. DIY, how-tos. But hey, today's a little something different, isn't it? Oh, good Lord, he's gonna try to take that. Look at that, how thick that concrete is. Oh, he's just grabbing. I don't know if he's gonna try to break that up now or not. Oh, I guess he is. I don't think he's ready for that. He needs to. Looks like he's digging a little bit of dirt out so he can get his claw under there. See, he's not. Oh, I didn't think he was deep enough. Look at that. Good Lord. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Holy mackerel. Well, he got that out of there, didn't he? Yes. See, that was where the big footing was. And now that other stuff is only 6 inches thick. Man, you would think that would pull those teeth right off, but those teeth just stay on there. Oh, he's gonna try to knock it off sideways. Yeah. Nothing's gonna stop him from getting it down. See if I can get you resituated. Oh, he's taking a little break. His phone went off and he's talking to somebody about another job, I'm sure.